everyone, we are back and we are at row 25. The pattern says slip 1, purl 7, RLI. Actually, it says, what does it say? RLI, yes. Right, linear increase. And you see that this increases from row 23 and 25. They switch places. On row 23 we'll do LLI, knit 1, RLI. On row 25 and up to the end of the gusset increases, it will be RLI, knit a certain number of stitches for the thumb gusset, LLI. So we're gonna do RLI, obviously it's this stitch that is increased into the right side, so moving to the right. Then LLI, that's the one that will be increased to the left side. LLI. Then purl 2, purl actually 3. Then continue with the pattern, which is knit 2, yarn, twisted yarn over, knit 1, twisted yarn over, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2 together, or slip knit through the back loops, knit 2, purl 4. I will see you on row 32. Continue with the pattern, continue increasing with it in the same manner as per pattern until you have 11 stitches, 11 knit stitches increased for the thumb gusset. And I will show you how we do it with via flat knit method for this knit.